Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best colored G kitchen rugs two-piece set available on the market, the HEBE Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Rug Set. This set includes two mats designed not only to add style to your kitchen but to bring exceptional comfort and functionality to your daily routine. The first thing you'll notice about the HEBE kitchen rugs is the thoughtful design. Made with 0.4-inch thick cushioned rebound foaming PVC materials, these mats provide excellent support for your feet, legs, and back. Whether you're cooking, washing dishes, or standing at a home office desk, the anti-fatigue feature helps reduce the discomfort and fatigue that comes from standing for long periods. Safety is also a top priority with this set. The mats come equipped with a non-slip backing that firmly grips onto different types of flooring, including wood, tile, and marble. The beveled edges are another smart detail, preventing curling and minimizing tripping hazards. This creates a safer kitchen environment where you can focus on your tasks without worrying about slips. Another major selling point is how easy these mats are to clean. Made from high-density PVC, they are waterproof, oil-resistant, and stain-resistant. This means that spills, dirt, and pet hair don't stand a chance. A simple wipe with a damp cloth or a quick pass with a handheld vacuum keeps the mats looking fresh and spotless. Durability is clearly built into this product. The high-quality materials are designed to withstand daily wear and tear, making these mats a reliable addition to your kitchen for years to come. The supportive foam gently contours around your feet, providing ergonomic comfort and helping to relieve pressure over extended periods. Beyond the kitchen, this versatile set fits beautifully in various spaces. The two-piece arrangement includes a 17.3 by 48-inch runner and a 17.3 by 28-inch rectangular mat, fitting most kitchen layouts comfortably. They can also serve well as standing desk mats, laundry room rugs, or even in offices and bathrooms. The floral pattern adds a warm, farmhouse-style accent that can brighten up any room. If you're looking for a gift idea, this set makes a thoughtful present for holidays like Thanksgiving or Christmas, combining both style and practicality. To summarize, the HEBE Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Rug Set delivers cushioned comfort, safety features, easy maintenance, durability, and stylish versatility. It's an excellent choice for anyone wanting to upgrade their kitchen floor experience while adding a splash of color and comfort. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights.